Good morning, beautiful people. Rise and shine. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday. So come along with me as I go to church. I once saw this encouragement and I decide I kind of want to share it with you. The encouragement said, life may test you, but don't let it define you. Every setback is an opportunity for growth. Every struggle is a chance to become stronger. So relatable, your past doesn't define you. So let's take a 15-minute drive to church. It's such a beautiful day, and I'm so grateful to see another day. Lights on, computers on. Let's get everything ready for today's service. We have light keys for stage lights, and of course, ProPresenter for projection. Who wouldn't have that? Quick edit for welcome video. Changes from previous Sunday. We do a welcome video every Sunday, and we just change it depending on announcements and the service. I arrived at 8 a.m. and service starts at 10 a.m. Believe it or not, I was not ready. This Sunday, our church is still testing live streaming with 2 camera angles, and Adrian with the angles. I'm so excited for live stream. Yeah, it's time to pack up and off to the house. After arriving home, I usually make it a routine to get all of my cameras and batteries on the charger, and from there it's time to rest. See you later.